is freezing this morning. It was 21 degrees when I woke up in Flagstaff this morning, so I am in Sedona. It is still only like 35 degrees here, but it's supposed to get up to 65 today. So I'm not riding anything crazy today, just going to Llama. I have not been in Sedona in like 6 months, so figured I'd ease back into it with something a little more mellow. Forgot where the trail went. Might have to hit this drop before we keep going. Always gotta hit that drop every time I go past it. Now back to our regularly scheduled program. Nope. I was coming into that in too high of a gear to get back up at the end. So at the downhill's the fun part, right? That's not a llama. Woohoo! Forgot to mention before, I am riding this from south to north right now. And then when we get to the north end, I'm going to turn around and head back down the opposite direction. And I do believe we are almost to the north end. Yep, here we are. Whoop. Take a quick little break here and then we'll head back south. All right, break time's over. Time to go back. I always like riding this trail as an out and back because there's a few sections that are just super fun in one direction, but then they kind of suck the other way. Should have went down one more gear, but I made it. I was just thinking when I stopped to take my jacket off, since I did a bike check for my hardtail in the last video, I should tell you guys about what I'm riding today. And back to the side drop. So this is my 2023 Canyon Naron 6. It's a lot closer to being stock than my Roscoe is. So the stock drivetrain on here is the SRAM NX. I've upgraded to the GX derailleur, but everything else is still NX. The SRAM DB8 brakes, 4-piston, those are stock as well. The fork and shock are both still the original. It's a Fox 34 Rhythm in the front and a Fox float in the rear. 140 mil. Wheels are 29ers with 2.6-inch Maxxis Minion DHRs. And then I have the same P&W Loam pedals and Deity Super Cush grips that I have on my Roscoe. Now let's hit this drop again. I love that. Let's do it again. That sounded like a nice rock to the down tube. And there's an example of a section that is very fun this way, but it sucks when you're climbing up it. sneak up here for a second so I can go hit those drops. Oh, this was not the trail. I always do that. Don't follow me. Don't take that shortcut. You're supposed to keep going down and then take a left at the actual trail. Well, this has been fun. Good first ride back in Sedona for the season. And I'll definitely be riding here more the next few months now that it's getting cold in Flag again. Of course, the sun comes out now right as I'm pulling back up to the trailhead.